Welcome to my channel. This is Tan Made and I am Tan. If this is your first time, welcome. And I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to humbly say thank you for your support. Now let's get to crafting. Here I have some Waverly chalk paint in white and a Dollar Tree round sign, and I have it on the back of the sign, but I'm going to paint that white. After painting it all white, I decided I'm gonna just distress it a little bit with some blue paint. And I'm using an acrylic paint that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm taking most of the paint off of the brush so that I can do a little distressing. And as you can see there, I'm just, barely putting any paint on there, but I did want to just kind of highlight that blue, because next you'll see me use the floral picks that are blue. And here I purchased this white burlap from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to cut that down to size for my sign. And I'm going to make a little pocket. And to make my little pocket, I'm just gluing down the piece that I cut for it. We're going to glue that down to the sign. And we're going to pull it fairly taut. Because you'll see in a moment that I'm pulling it taut so that we can stick some floral foam down in there. So after putting the floral foam down in the little pocket, I'm going to take this pick that I got, floral pick that I got from Dollar Tree. And it's a fall pick, but it's like the color blue. And I just thought it was so cute because, of course, we're going to get our regular floral pick or fall colors. So I just wanted to try this one because I've never pretty much had a different color pick for fall. And I think the little white pumpkins on there are just so cute. I started out with one pick. I didn't separate them individually because I thought I could get away with it, with the one pick, because this one was actually kind of full. Although I do feel like Dollar Tree's got just a little bit skimpy on most of their floral picks. Then I'm going to take this white rope that also came from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to give my sign a border, just trying to give it a finished look. So after cutting my rope down and getting it glued down, I did end up having to go back to the Dollar Tree to pick up a couple of more of those picks. And I'm glad I did because it looks much better. And here it is, finished and hanging on the wall. Here in this next DIY, I have one of Dollar Tree's larger wire wreath forms and this spool of ribbon. I like to take my ribbon off of the spool and then wrap it around using my hot glue to attach it. At my Dollar Tree, at the time that I purchased this, they only had one spool of this particular style ribbon, and I really wanted this one for my fall wreath. And that's why you see me like really stretching it over to the side. But thank goodness I was able to get it to work. It worked. And here are what I was calling the regular fall floral picks. The orange and the yellows and the purples. All those regular fall colors. But they do have some very pretty fall picks this year. A little skimpy, but they're pretty. So here you're just seeing me just gather them. I did separate some of them, and I'm just styling the wreath form as I like down at the bottom. So I'm gonna, whatever I do on the left side, I also do on the right side. And we're gonna hot glue everything down. And then I took this yard sign I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I just wanted the pumpkin part of it, so I took that metal stake out off of it. And then I hot glued it onto my wreath form at the top. I didn't decorate or add any embellishments to it because I thought it looked pretty good with what was on it. I was happy with the stem and the leaf and the coil. I was happy with that. And this is how this turned out. And you'll probably see this wreath later in my front porch decorating video. And in this last DIY, I thought it was just really fun to make it. It's so easy and quick. I got this vase. I call it a face vase. It actually came from Family Dollar, and then that candle holder came from Dollar Tree. And what I'm doing here is just sticking a piece of floral foam inside the face vase, and then I have this floral pick from Dollar Tree, and as you can see, it's a fall color, orange. And I just am sticking that floral pick in the floral foam, putting it back inside my face vase. I was trying to get away without hot gluing the face vase onto the candle holder because I might want to use my candle holder for something else, but of course it wasn't going to stay, so I decided I will hot glue it here in just a second. And then I took this orange flower and pinned it to the side. And you'll see why in a moment. And then I took these fall leaves just to kind of fill in the vase part and cover up the floral foam. And I called this vase Miss Fall. So I hot glued it, put the vase on top of the candle holder. And I present to you Miss Fall. I thought that this was just a really cute decor piece. And let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. And if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. I appreciate the support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.